here at Sema wrapping up the 2023 show, and I have with me John Kleven, president of STEK USA. And really, we just wanted to get in front of the camera to tell you guys some of our favorite activities, activations that we've had throughout the week, and why not hear it from the man himself. John, what was some of your favorite stuff that we got to do out here in the booth this year?
Well, I definitely say that we have a lot of kind of jaw-dropping products this year. So from our chrome to our very innovative new window tint that's coming out called DYNOtint. This is going to be a wet application, no heat shrink window tint, and it's coming, so it's going to change the game. Also, we have flat glass commercial window film. So these are new products just to add to our portfolio. It's going to increase profits and help our installers grow their businesses.
Yeah. It's been a blast just to see every time we are getting these demos going, a huge audience, crowd gathers around. They want to see what STEK's up to, what our films look like, how they handle, how they install. And it's also been really cool to have the vehicles that we do that, to your point, are just jaw-dropping. We've had a lot of people stop by, take photos, ask really good questions. And so we look forward to packing a punch, bringing out more new cool products, cars, and a show for you next year.